Hi, everyone. Welcome to another Tech Tips channel. Today we are going to proceed with the workshop for the Guard Tour Patrolling System. Have you watched the intro video? We highly suggest that you may watch that video first. The link is shared on the top right of this video. Alright, let's start out workshop today. For this video, we will start with the master data registration first. The checkpoint master and the member master. Let's begin with the checkpoint master. In the checkpoint master table, we have 7 columns data. ID column is a text type, with an initial value of concatenating the CP with a running number. With this initial value, the ID will be auto-assigned with a value which start with CP, and followed by a running number to make it unique. Barcode column is an image type, with an app formula which generates a QR code image. This is the formula, and the generated QR code is our ID column. You may find this formula in our video description or comments. Description column is a long text type. Image column is an image type. Location column is a lot long type. Notes column is a long text type. Printed file column is a file type. Related patrolling logs column is a list type. It is a virtual column that auto-generated by AppSheet. Alright, the checkpoint master table is ready. Let's check out its user interface. Set the checkpoint master as shown. Completed. Let's proceed to the detail view. Set the detail view as shown. Completed. Let's proceed to the form view. Set the form view as shown. Completed. Let's proceed to the member master. In the member master table, we have 8 columns data. ID column is a text type, with an app formula of concatenating GT with a running number. With this formula, the ID will auto-assign with a value that start with GT, and followed by a running number. Name column is a name type. Picture column is an image type. Contact number column is a phone type. Email column is an email type. Address column is an address type. Last seen location column is a lot long type. Last seen date time column is a date time type. Related member on duty is a list type. It is a virtual column that is auto-generated by AppSheet. Related patrolling log column is a list type. It is a virtual column that is auto-generated by AppSheet. Alright, the member master table is ready. Let's proceed to its user interface. Set the member master as shown. Completed. Let's proceed to the detail view. Set the detail view as shown. Completed. Let's proceed to the form view. Set the form view as shown. Completed. Alright, we have completed our workshop today. In next video, we will continue with the dashboard, which contain the on-duty list, a map, and an incident log. We end here today. See you guys in the next video. Bye.